Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can send fax message from your Sony Xperia 10 Mark V. So now first open the Play Store, tap on the search bar and look for the fax app. Choose one of them. I'm always using the V FAX, so we can launch it now. Now allow permissions to the camera and to the files. You can see there you can get your free credits. Okay, now if you want to choose a document, click on the plus and choose the source of your document, like any picture for example. You can select you can select down one more picture. If you already click import, now you can add a shape to the document or the picture. And if you already click arrow icon, now choose the filter for that photo to make it more visible for the receiver, and click accept icon. Now just type the number in this place, choose the country from the list. If you want to add more documents, just click on the plus and do like before. If you want to send them, just get your free credits and click on this button. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe, comment, and goodbye.